I like the way you got your coils all right here. So if you ever decide to adjust anything.
Yeah, that was the reason I did it, so I can make it easy. Yeah, that wire.
That's nice. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop. Oh, nice. Thank you for opening it. This is very.
Yeah, no problem. I'm subscribed.
Thanks, man. You'll enjoy it. It's fun. So are these amplifiers, how are they wired? Are they strapped or are they separate gain match?
They're separate.
Okay, got it.
Separate each, one pair per one.
Got it. I like the way you got your coils all right here. So if you ever decide to adjust anything.
Yeah, that was the reason I did it, so I can make it easy.
Yeah,
that wire.
that's nice. Yes, sir. Is there a way I can get in with you? All right. So could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
My name's Brian Gibson.
All right.
It's got 4 ZV6 15s on 2 solid 8Ks and a 4th.
Nice. Did you build this?
The wall, we bought the car with the wall already in it, but I've done everything else to it.
Nice. And did you add all this wood for kind of loading off?
Yeah, we had an issue with the loading wall, so we changed it up.
Yes, sir.
It's been playing so much better here, so.
Okay. Nice. And what made you do inverted instead of regular mount? Just curious.
It's just space.
Space, got it.
Yeah, this space.
So it's a 4th order, so there's like a sealed section underneath?
Yeah, so everything from here down is sealed.
Okay. Very nice. And then do you know your cubic space or the tuning ratio or anything like that?
It's a 2 to 1.
2 to 1.
Yep.
Okay. And last question, your lithium alternator power?
I'm running a 98H Proto with 2 390s and a 320.
Okay.
So there's 3 alts.
How's your voltage doing? Hey, handling? That's pretty good alt power.
Yeah, it does pretty good. I think the lowest I've seen it drop is 14.8.
Okay. Not bad. That's good. Anything on your doors?
4 row gates on 200.4.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I would love to hear this. This looks nice. I hear this clapping right here.
It's my next project.
It is? Okay, yeah.
Yeah, we're fixing to steel cage the roof. We're fixing to delete all that. We're tired of it.
Yes, sir. Work in progress. All good.
Oh, yeah.
You did a good job sealing it off. Everything around looks really good.
Yeah. It's got some more issues because right here where it leaks through, we're going, when we steel cage it, we'll tie into this so we can make sure it's sealed.
Okay. Yes, sir. So is there any way I can see underneath your hood?
Yeah.
Kind of see how the alternator power is. Very nice. 390s?
Yeah, 2 390s and a 320.
15.3, okay. Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, not a problem.
Yes, sir. What's up, man?
What's up, bud? How you doing?
Great. I'm trying to stay busy. Do you have your system out here today?
Yeah, man. Yes, I do.
We'll have to catch a demo.
I'm the white Civic hatchback over there.
Okay. Sounds good. I'd love to hear it. awesome. Thank you, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Wow. It has a really good bandwidth response to it. It didn't fall off very much, so I appreciate the demo.